welcome to this next van tour video. This one's with Jennifer and Maybelle. Not a lot to say, wait till you see it. It is a feast for your eyes. It is beautiful colors. It is art on wheels. So enjoy. And thanks again to James, the Ethnic Explorer, for helping with this interview. And catch you in the next one.
All right. Hey, how are you?
Hello.
Nice.
Welcome.
This is
Come in.
beautiful van.
Come in.
Oh my goodness. Wow. I'm just gonna take my boots off at the door because I know how it is.
I'll sit up on the bed.
Wow. This is truly like amazing.
So behind you is a small kitchen with a minuscule sink,
Hey, that's
but I have a collapsible sink that I can use. So that's just for brushing teeth, washing hands, washing off fruit and veg. So this is the second layout of this van.
okay. I remember.
So originally the kitchen was in the back. And so I had a counter on this side with the sink and another countertop over here. So I had a lot more room for the kitchen. And I had a ice cold chest refrigerator under the counter. And the bed was up front.
Mm-hmm.
And all of this was just storage. And this was here, but everything else was not there.
This is
So
amazing.
when I did the redo, I really needed something that I could work out of and that I could create in. So I figured out how to get a 6-foot countertop in here. So I have space for a monitor and space for a tabletop easel to draw and paint. And I can edit photos and I can sit on the bench and work. I'll show the pop-up table. But that meant that the kitchen was sacrificed.
Oh.
But if you flip that table up,
This
right
one.
here, that flips up. So that is,
Oh wow. Sweet.
so,
And you can cook here too. and
yep, I
everything,
can.
so
And it's right by the door, so everything can go out.
That's awesome.
And, yeah, you just push it, yeah. And the refrigerator is a 110. And it's working pretty good. I'm at 100% charged on my solar.
Oh,
so that is
nice.
running on solar. I have 200 watts of solar on the roof and 2 100-watt lithium batteries. So that's running the electric on this side, on the driver's side.
Okay.
And I wanted the upright refrigerator because I just felt like it took up less room.
Yeah, I like that size.
And it was easier to get to stuff.
Exactly.
And I was able to find that. And it was the right size. And whatever was left over was going to be the counter space.
Okay.
And I found that drawer at a Habitat for Humanity restore.
Ooh.
And it was 75% off, so I got it for like $15,
That's awesome.
which I love.
That is awesome. So what inspired your van build?
This layout,
Mm-hmm.
it was inspired by limited funds
Okay.
and using what you already had.
There we go. Yes.
So when I
yes.
took everything apart, I saved as much as I could and just incorporated it back. Some stuff I did have to buy, like the dresser. I found that at a Goodwill.
Ooh, that's nice.
And I knew I wanted something to put my clothes in, a better storage than I had before. And on the top part, don't open it because it's going to fall out because it's not done. And then I built the top part for hanging clothes.
Oh, sweet.
And the walls, originally everything was fuchsia. And when I painted it, I didn't like it. I thought it was too much. And I had these postcards and magazine clippings that I had been saving for years and years and years.
Mm-hmm.
And it was just, they were just sitting in a bag. I said,
like
I'm going to
that.
decoupage them on the walls.
Yes,
And
I
I
like
said,
that.
well, maybe that's going to be too much. And I said, no, it's okay. And it calmed everything down. It calmed the color down. And everything else just worked from there. What did I have? What could I use? And under this is a drawer I found at Goodwill. And that the bottom drawer is like a pantry
Okay.
storage kind of thing, and then the top two are for art supplies and all that stuff.
Awesome.
Yeah.
So you are an artist.
Yes, and photographer.
How long have you been participating in that?
I'm 52 years.
Oh, wow.
I like to say I literally came out an artist. No, I've been creating. I remember being in second grade and writing a story about bugs and getting so much praise. Oh, this is good. I have no idea what this. I know it was about bugs, but that's all I know. So, and I was always drawing and
That's
writing
awesome.
and
You
everything.
definitely have beautiful vision. Like, this is amazing.
Yeah, if you look above the door,
Okay.
those three, those are my pieces.
Oh, wow.
Some of the things, two of them, some of them that I created. And I needed something for it over the door. And I had those two postcards of Harriet Tubman and Frederick Douglass. And I said, well, that's inspiration for when you're leaving for the day. You just look up.
Yes, exactly.
And I needed something to put with it. So I just got some foam board, covered it with some cardstock, and put that on top.
Have you been to the museum?
Yeah.
The Harriet, yeah, we've been there. It's awesome.
Yep. So you don't need a lot of money to make stuff look fancy.
Exactly.
You just have to have an imagination
Exactly.
and be willing to figure out how to do stuff.
I agree 100%.
So you know,
Yes.
I can't afford that $100,000 build.
You don't need to. Look
You
at
know?
that.
Exactly.
So-
I'd rather have
I
this.
know.
And it's just like this is just vinyl that you get from Amazon, maybe like $8 a roll, and you use it throughout and until you use it up. And like I said, it's just I had the cards and the clippings and needed something for the wall. Okay, I'm going to put it
There we go.
up. So if I ever decide to sell it, somebody's going to have to like this. But
Right.
I said I'm not
But
going to do it with the thought of I can't sell it. I'm going to do it. What can I live with, and what do I like?
yes. Yes.
Right on.
Yeah. So it's some more stuff I want to do.
Awesome.
Like I want to do a bar top resin pour on this
Ooh.
to make it more sturdy.
Mm-hmm.
But that's like down the road sometime. Yeah. And this is just paint from Michael's and some glitter. And mix the glitter into the varnish because I wanted it to look like a 50s kind of countertop, and I just experimented and mixed it in and just put it on and then put varnish, about 3 coats of varnish over it, and I said okay, it came out.
Yeah, I'm gonna be messaging you how to do this because I kind of want to do my table like this now.
And
Like,
the metals, the stripping just came from Lowe's, and I want to put that on the sink, the countertop in the kitchen.
Okay.
But yeah, it was not too. I think this was maybe $11, and
Well,
just cut it down to the size I needed.
This is definitely an amazing build.
And
Whoa.
I'm a book lover, and I have a Kindle, but I don't always like reading the Kindle.
Right.
Touching
Right.
pages.
Yeah.
I have to
It's
physically,
nice.
so I bought some of my library with me, and a lot of stuff. Like I use books for reference when I'm working on stuff too. So I said I need something But when you're stuck in on a rainy day, you can
Oh
just
yeah, definitely.
pull out in the bed. I built the bed, and I had a swivel table, a DIY swivel table, but it kept falling over. So I was like, okay, this is not going to work. So I had to come up with something else to do. And so I said, I had these hinges, these heavy duty hinges.
Mm-hmm.
And I said, okay,
Ooh.
because I got them for the original build.
What?
There it is.
I was wondering
I
about that
didn't,
seat over
I
there.
didn't end up using
Wow.
them, but I kept them. So I said, I built the frame because they're kind of heavy. So I built like a doorway frame to put them on, and then put this. So it's a table, and it's also I can crawl. I'm small enough that I can crawl in the back to get what I need. So I can sit here and work,
That's great.
or put the
That is
laptop
great.
and watch a movie.
Yeah.
Put a chair here, somebody else. You know, somebody's a real good friend they can
Yes.
squeeze in.
Yeah.
You know, and then there's an ottoman underneath right here. I don't know if you can see it. There's an ottoman here that I can pull out,
Oh yeah.
and got my little. And then you just
Oh, that looks
sit,
chill.
Yo, that
And
does.
put
Look,
your-
that's so
vibes.
comfortable.
put your feet up, and then under here is I won't show it, but this is where the toilet is.
I was wondering. I had a feeling.
This is the toilet. The only thing, and I can see this is going to get on my nerves. I have to take the cushions off. I have to take all this, lift it up, lift this up, step inside of it,
Oh, you
and because it's a little too big for this. Because originally this had walls, and this was the bathroom, and it
Okay.
came out a little more. So the toilet was this way, but it's a little smaller, so it's fitting this way. So I'm like, I need to find something smaller.
Okay.
But it works for me
Nice.
because I have
right, your
these
head,
cabinets, so I'm short enough. I just step over, step in,
Yeah.
and I can stand up, and
Right.
I'm not hitting my head.
Right.
Nice.
That's
So-
Nice.
Yeah, so it's built for me.
Yeah.
And I have some fairy lights that I'm going to put up
Ooh.
in here, and these are battery operated candles that need batteries, but
I just found some rechargeable ones.
yeah,
I just saw that
yeah, I
rechargeable
want,
ones like that.
yeah, I want to get some, but yeah, so yeah, I still have like little stuff like lights to put up and all of that, but yeah, and I have two one vent, and then this one back here is a fan.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah, and I can open up. I just did this today.
I'm gonna
Open
come
up the
around to
curtain.
back first. Hold on.
Yes, I have like 100 of them on the back of my
I like that one.
gangster nerd. Yes.
And
This is what you were working on.
this is what I.
Let me try it with you.
That's
That has mesh on the top, and you can roll it down to cover. And then this part covers. You can leave this zipped up, but when you need to get to your garage, open it up for access to the garage.
Cool.
storage.
The for the cord for plug in. You know, so.
I sure wish I had that much storage.
But the
Jonathan.
stuff that I need to use regularly is more towards the front.
Okay.
So I don't have to like be digging stuff. But yeah, that's it.
Awesome.
That's
That
it.
is an amazing build. Like, I love everything you did.
Thank you.
From the round windows in the back to like all
Yeah,
the
that was,
colors,
like,
the poster clip.
That was after I got some mechanical work done.
Mm-hmm.
That was like the first thing that I did was get the windows put in.
That is awesome.
Yeah, and I kind of wish I went for like the full
Oh yeah,
But I just love the porthole. So
they are cool. I really like those too. That's
yeah,
nice.
yeah. But yeah, it's not. The doors aren't finished. I'm gonna do something with those.
In what material? Oh, okay. This is just fabric because
Yeah.
I did that with mine with
Yeah,
the Galaxy.
yeah,
I put
yeah.
the
I don't.
fabric
Yeah,
on
it was like one of the first things I did, like on the first build.
Okay.
And I like the concept. I just don't like the execution.
Yeah.
Because by the time I did it, I was just like, whatever.
Right. I did the
'Cause
same
you will
thing.
get
It's
to
like
a point in your build
whatever.
where you're just like over it, and it is what it is.
It was so tedious.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, but yeah, just put this up today.
It looks very good.
So I can't wait to be able to lay in bed and have the doors open
Mm-hmm. Get the
and
breeze.
be able to get that breeze.
Now you're ready for the National Forest.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Yep.
Thank you. That
You're
was
welcome.
awesome. My mind's still blown.
Is there anything you'd like to share with the folks that will see this?
I'm on Instagram.
Okay.
Hold on. The van stuff is The Life of Maybelle,
Okay. We'll put all that.
and the art stuff, business stuff is Studio 4345 Art and Photography.
Okay. All right. We'll put
That's
it down.
Instagram.
So we can see.
Yeah, yeah. So,
Cool.
yeah,
Thank you.
yeah. Did you see the magnets
Oh yes.
on the refrigerator?
Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
I think the Carmen Miranda one is my favorite. Since I'm a Fruit Loop in a world of Cheerios.
Ah.
Thank you.